So you're flipping your wrist at impact, you're making poor contact, and the golf ball just isn't going anywhere? No problem. I've got the perfect drill for you today. It's called the delivery drill. I learned this one over 30 years ago. The moment of impact is what we typically call the moment of truth. And it is a very difficult position to try to practice because the club is moving so fast, I think it's almost impossible to try to make a change at impact. But in the delivery drill, we can do exactly that. Now, this drill was shared with me back in college when I was really struggling with making good, solid contact. I didn't have that forward shaft lean that I was looking for at impact with my irons. I was kind of tending to flip it a little bit. So first of all, let's talk a little bit about what the delivery position is. When I say delivery position, what I'm talking about here is that when the club is coming back down into the golf ball, the delivery position is when my hands have reached about waist high and the club head is in roughly about this position. So the club shaft is parallel to the ground and my hands are back here in front of me at about thigh high. This is the delivery position. All right, so when we do this particular drill, there's a couple things that I want us to be looking for. So let's get into it. So here we go. First of all, I want you to do this with an 8-iron or a 9-iron. Don't use a long club. So here we go. I'm gonna take my regular setup, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put this club in that delivery position that we just described. Now, here's what I want you to look for. I want the club face in line with the hands. I want the club face ever so slightly rotated this way. So the club face is at about a 45-degree angle, all right? This is the key thing. Club face, 45-degree angle, club head in line with our hands. This is the ideal position, what we call the delivery position. So let me go ahead and hit a shot here, and then we're gonna get into a little bit more detail around how you can do it and really how it works. So here you go, regular setup, put it in the delivery position, okay? Then just a little rotate, and we can improve that contact. Now, let's dive a little bit deeper into this and show you how you can do it yourself. And what you're gonna find is that this delivery position right here is a very similar position to your takeaway. If you followed any of our stuff here at VLS Golf and US Golf TV, you know that in the takeaway, we like the hands to be a little in, and we like the club head to be a little bit out, and we really like this club face to be at about that 45-degree angle. So this takeaway position is very similar to the delivery position. So let's go through it again. So here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna take our regular setup. We're gonna put the club in that delivery position. Now notice when I do that, my hips are rotated just a little bit, okay? And my weight is really kind of almost over my right foot, okay, and it's kind of centered on the inside of the foot. So my hips are turned, my weight is on my right foot, the club face 45, hands right here. Now, here's the key. You've got to give yourself just a little momentum. So there's a little bit of weight shift, and then you're going to rotate through. Now, when I do that, and when you do that, don't try to hit a full shot. Don't try to hit it as far as you can. What we're really working on here is trying to get a feel of what it's like to have that forward shaft lean and keep that club head moving through the strike zone. So let me do it without the golf ball again. So here we go, regular setup. Boom, shift the hips, turn the hips a little bit, excuse me. There's that club face position. I'm looking for the hands. A little turn, boom, and then through. Let's go ahead and hit a golf shot. Here we go, 8-iron, ball in the center of the stance. There's my delivery position, a little turn, and then through. This drill right here can definitely take flipping out of your golf swing and improve your contact. Now that we've done that, check out my next video. And if you want to personally work with me and our golf team on your game, check out vlscoaching.com.